In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel to Smartsheets. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what you'll see, and a few simple tips to make the process smooth and reliable. First, make sure you have the sheet open in Smartsheet where you want to bring in your Excel data. With that sheet on your screen, look to the top left area, right next to the sheet's name. You'll see a small three-dot icon, often called the More menu. Click that icon. This menu is where Smartsheet keeps helpful actions related to your current sheet, and Import is one of them. From this menu, choose Import, then select Excel. This tells Smartsheet that you're going to bring in data from an Excel file rather than another source. As soon as you click Excel, a panel will open. Think of this as your drop zone. It's the space where you'll add the file you want to bring in. Now, locate your Excel file on your computer. It's a good idea to close the file in Excel before you import it, just so nothing conflicts during the upload. Click and drag your file into the panel you see on the screen. When you drag it over, Smartsheet will highlight the drop area to confirm that it's ready to accept the file. Release your mouse to drop it in. If your workbook has multiple sheets, Smartsheet will analyze the content and prepare to convert the data into a new Smartsheet structure. Once your file is in place, confirm the import. This is your final check to make sure you're bringing in the correct file. After you confirm, Smartsheet will create a new sheet based on your Excel data. You'll see your rows, columns, and values appear in a familiar grid, with Smartsheet's features ready to use. A few quick tips to help everything come through cleanly. Keep your Excel column headers clear and unique so Smartsheet can translate them into column names without confusion. Simple, consistent formatting in Excel, like one header row and no merged cells, usually leads to the best results. If the Excel file is especially large or contains complex formulas, give Smartsheet a moment to process after you confirm. And if something doesn't look right, remember that your original Excel file remains unchanged, so you can adjust in Excel and import again. That's all there is to it. Click the three dots next to your sheet name, choose Import, click Excel, drag your file into the panel, and confirm. In just a few moments, your Excel content is ready to use in Smartsheet.